Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will create this beautiful landing page using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. So let's look at our website. So to follow this tutorial you need to download the starter file. So visit this link and download the starter files. So click on the download button. It will download your starter files. So after downloading this you need to extract the folder and open your code editor. So after open this folder in your code editor, we have index.html file and asset folder. And inside the asset folder, we have three other folders: CSS folder and image folder. We have some images and another one is JS folder for scrolling and stuff like that. So close this one. And you need to open this index.html file. So this is the basic structure. We have title, font with some icons, link, bootstrap courses and stuff like that. So now we need to close this and start our project. So first give it id is equal to page desktop, and below this we will create the navigation. So nav tag class Navbar, give it id. We will create the div class is equal to container. After that we will create another anchor tag for our brand. So Daredavil. For that we will create a button. Go to class Navbar, type is equal to button, toggle collapse, data target, area control, expand it. So now menu. So this is our menu. Menu icon. After that we will create another div with a class is equal to collapse. Now that give it an id for responsive, and for links we need to UL tag and give it class equal to navbar-nav. So this is our first link. I think about class. So this is our first link. So copy this and paste below for news. Change this to news and news. After that paste here for contact, sign up and contact. So our navbar is ready. So let's look at our browser. So this is our navbar. Menu links. Now we need to create the header. So header tag and give it class. We need to create a container. Class is equal to text dash left. So it will. So that we're going to create a heading Daredevil. So let's look in our browser. So this is our Daredevil. Put some style, font width bold. So it will look like this. After that we'll create another heading. And for button, about button, with a class btn dash black, get started. So let's look our browser. So give some styling, give it a class equal to Bootstrap. So target this class style, so dot Bootstrap, and position relative, width 100%, height auto, minimum height 35, padding, background image, and background position center, background repeat no repeat, background size cover. So it will look like this. So now our header is ready. We'll get the about section. So section class about that section, give it an id is equal to about, get a div with class container. Inside this div we'll get another div, class is equal to row. So get class 8 column div, class is equal to text dash white fortnite Daredavil skin, and below the heading we have a paragraph. Now we need to add an image tag, and assets, go to class is equal to image dash float, and give it some styling, that is equal to 500 pixel. So let's look in our browser. So looks great. So you need to change the color, navbar color. So target the nav dash link dot active and give it color black and outline none, border bottom. So now its color is black. So now we need to create the news section. So section go to class projector section, that is equal to news, and we will create a div with class equal to container, then row, give it line item center. So this we have 8 column div and 4 columns, so total 12 column. Go to image and give it pic to, class equal to dash float. Now close this one and give it another div with class equal to feature dash text. This is a heading and some paragraph text. So let's close this and look in our browser. So this is our news section. Now we need to change the color. We give it class of feature dash text. So let's target this feature dash text and padding border left, so it's look nice. About news, now we need to create a contact section. So close this one and now sign up. So section, go to class is equal to sign up section, id is sign up, go to div class equal to container, then row, that a column. So this is for icon, and go to heading, that subscribe to receive updates. Below this we'll get a form for email, class equal to form dash inline, input, get class, type is equal to email, and placeholder entering. So it will look like this. After that we will get a button, give it a class, equal to btn black, type equal to submit, and subscribe. So almost done. Now we need to change the background image. So we have to target the sign up section class. So let's target this sign up section. Padding, there's some padding, background position, background with orbit, and attachment scroll, background size cover. So close this and our contact section is ready. So almost done. Now footer tag with class is equal to footer bg black, div class equal to container, div with class is equal to container. So this is for icons, class equal to social, anchor tag, class mix. So this is Twitter icon, and now copy this page below, add Facebook, f-Facebook, and f-GitHub. So almost done now. So let's look and close this. So our landing page is ready now. Contact. So change this copyright. So Daredavil in footer section. Change this to Daredavil. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video.